I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your email on Square is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the email preferences section. Click on it to view your current email address and options to change it. Step 4. Enter new email address. Type in your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you will likely receive a confirmation email at that address. Click the link in the email to finalize the change. Remember, if you don't see the confirmation email, check your spam folder just in case. That's it. You've successfully changed your email on Square. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.